Waffle platter na good for 5 to 10 person yung order natin for today's video guys. Kaya tara, samahan niyo ako. At finally guys, tapos na yung ating waffle platter at kung natapos mo yung video na to, don't forget to comment para alam ko kung saan umabot ang video ko. And also don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.